What is... I didn't even try to do the right thing. I just like autopiloted and fucking clicked like a normal person. Like, I didn't even try to do like... Ugh. It's so funny, I'm like, it's such a weird, like, I think I just have to do it, this is my favorite extreme, I feel like if you asked majority of extreme demon grinders what their favorite extreme is, almost like probably over 30% of them would say Black Blizzard. And unfortunately, I'm about to become that majority because this level is just so fucking good. I don't think I've ever got this consistent at a level this hard. It's like not frustrating to play at all because every death is your fault. I'm already back at the drop. Dude, this is just the most consistent level ever. And I'm gonna beat it right here. Like, what the fuck? I can't believe how good this level is, dude. That's unbelievable. I didn't know levels could get this good.